Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I would like to thank you guys for your great support and your positive comments. Our channel is reaching 10,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm really grateful for your support, guys, and thanks a lot. So we will start the reading. We'll be picking few cards, guys. One card for your daily energy, one card for your career situation, one card for your relationship, guys, and I'll also be picking one card from the oracle guidance deck. So that is from the Rumi oracle guidance deck, and we'll open the cards as we proceed, Cancers. So for your daily energies, it's Queen of Wands. So with this card, guys, in your situation, you are a very dedicated person. So whatever work you take up, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, you do it with that total concentration and devotion, guys. And you are a very attractive person physically, maybe, and even mentally you are a very beautiful person. So people are see you as a person who inspires them every day. You are always cheerful and upbeat in your work situation or personal life, and you are a person who gives confidence and who does work with confidence and that determination. And people with you in your family or in your work situation, whoever knows you, they know that you can handle any situation effectively, guys, and they greatly appreciate you for that. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, Cancers, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, guys, the way you do your work, handle your situation, control people, your employees or your colleagues, because of your success that you are enjoying today, people may see you as a person who is abusing their position or power, controlling people, controlling their decisions today, guys. So the way you handle your situation, some of them may see you as an arrogant person, guys. That is what I see with this card. So for your relationship, it's Tower in reverse. So with this card again, guys, maybe some stressful situations would have been there for you in your relationship. Maybe some arguments, fights, some kind of misunderstandings. Maybe some of you are in a temporary separation, but slowly, bit by bit, things are diffusing between you both. So maybe for some of you, you may be progressing towards an understanding or clarity, or the situation, the separation and some negative emotions that you had, slowly you may be getting over all that. That is what I see with that card. And for your oracle guidance, Cancers, what is the card? Sacred Phoenix Heart. This oracle card comes with a special guidance for you all today, Cancers. So this is the time for you to be prepared to let that old version of your life pass away and let that new life be born. So what does that mean? It just means that letting go of our opinions, doubts, our despair and fears, and let all that new things coming in our life, let that thing flourish. So this card also points us towards a divine timing, guys. So whatever is supposed to be, whatever that is supposed to come towards us at this time, it is fast approaching. So you may feel that it is less likely to unfold at this particular time because of that confusion or darkness that you feel in your situation right now. But you have to have that trust in yourself and in that divine force, guys. So good things, whatever is supposed to come, you are nearing all that change of events or change of your situation is happening at a very faster pace. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Cancers, thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.